You're probably killing your Fiddle Leaf Fig and you don't even realize it. And it all comes down to how you're watering it. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to water it the right way before it's too late. Step 1, stop the guesswork and just check the soil. Most people just water on a schedule and that is the wrong move. Take your 2 fingers, stick them in the soil, 2 inches deep. If it's moist, back off. If it's dry, time to water. Here's why this is important. Watering too early is the fastest way to root rot. Meaning killing your plant. And that's something we're not trying to do. We spend all this money for this plant. We gotta make it live. Now that we know the soil is dry and it's time to water, don't do this. What was that? What was that? Do you think you watered your plant? No. Say this with me. Soak that plant so much that water is pouring out the bottom of your pot. We want to hydrate it past that top layer. That's how you properly water it. Like this. It's getting soaked. The entire system. Mini tip number 1, use room temperature water because cold water actually shocks the roots and you do not want your plant going in shock. Mini tip number 2, this is called a moisture meter. Now, I wouldn't say this is 100% accurate. This is technology. Sometimes technology fails. You know what works? This good old finger. Just lick them to it. Well, okay, don't lick them. Put them in the soil, you're good to go. Tip number 3, drainage system. Be sure your pot has drainage. You see the water dripping out? You see it leaking? Having no drainage holes is like a death sentence for your plant. What happens? Roots get suffocated and your plant dies. And then we're back at square one. So be sure you have drainage holes. Oh my God, I like decorative plant pots. Drill some holes in them, okay? Drill some holes in them. We need a drainage system. We do not want the plant sitting in water because you're gonna be like, Jason told me to do everything, my plant died. Yeah. Did your plant have drainage system or not? Did it have holes or not? I'm just saying. Most standard pots have them. You see this? You can see through it? Drainage system. No drainage system. Drainage system? No drainage system. Plant dying, plant living. Make more sense? Step 4, pay attention to your plant. Adapt to it. Don't just do the every 7 days water routine. There's so many factors that play into account that can affect your plant. Number 1, it could be the humidity. Your plant could be inside your house and the humidity could be different from the outside. The wind factor, is there a breeze? That can play into account as far as the soil. Your pot size matters. Your home's light, humidity, pot size. You see, all these factors contribute toward your plant. And this is like a family member. I don't know if you guys know this. We are family, we are related. So picture this is like taking care of your daughter, son, mother, sister. You gonna forget about them? No, I'm serious though. These are like our family members, so pay attention to them and they talk to us. We just have to listen. They'll show us signs and the signs give us examples of what to do different. Okay, bonus tip. If your plants are dropping leaves or they're yellowing, that's your plant telling you, I'm getting overwatered. So you see, you want to pay attention to the signs. These are healthy, but if they were, I would pay attention to them. Now that you learned how to water your Fiddle Leaf Fig the right way, if this saved your plant or your pride, hit that subscribe button. And I appreciate you guys. And like I always say, tell your mama, tell your daddy, tell your auntie, tell your uncle about my page. My name is Jason. I'm gonna keep dropping exclusive videos just for you guys. And comment below, share your Fiddle Leaf Fig, either success story or horror story. And should I continue? Because I have all the tips. Until next time, peace.